Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey,
Love it, love it. All right, let me grab some names here. What's your name, sir?
Hey guys, my name's John Erickson.
John Erickson. What makes you happy these days?
Fabletics. Girls looking good when they drink coffee.
Oh, Lord. Okay, hi, what's your name?
I can see all
Daniel
the
Sherrill.
Hey,
girls.
Daniel Sherrill. What's making you happy these days?
I just had an awesome black iced tea with milk. It was very delicious. You're British. That means a lot.
And what's your name,
Well,
sir?
my name's Daniel. I'm English, and I'm proud of him for drinking tea. I feel like we all should. The world would be a better place.
Yes.
Um,
I drink tea, but I'm Irish.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Kevin Burke.
Hey, Kevin. Hold that thought. I didn't say what's making you happy besides his tea drinking.
Thanks. I thought you didn't care. So I was like,
Yes, everybody else.
Right.
No. What makes me happy is just moments of relaxation. I've had a busy week, so this is just great. A weekend, sunshine, right up my alley.
Working it out. All right, great. And Kevin Burke, what's making you happy these days?
Well, yesterday I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning to watch the space shot.
Oh,
Because I live in Santa Clarita, and I watched, you could see it from Vandenberg. It was really cool. It looked like a ruby in the sky.
Very nice.
Yeah, it was just
Amazing.
dark red.
How do you
Nice.
fellas feel about being dance partners today?
Awesome.
Oh,
I look forward to it.
Every day. Yeah, damn bug. Anybody calling Uber?
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.